Keshar here, and today we are going to cook Schnitzel Morgh, which is the breast of chicken, and the closest that I can mention is chicken strips, but far better. I need to say at this point that there are so many food in our culture that has been integrated into our culture that has originated from other countries, and we're used to having it like Schnitzel Morgh, like with stroganoff or things like this, which I am going to show you all that. So necessarily they may not be a Persian food, but these are the foods that we are accustomed to and we've had them before. So today is going to be Schnitzel Morgh, and with pasta, which is going to be, and the vegetable that I'm going to serve it with is going to be spinach. So I'm going to show you, I've already shown you this before, but I'm going to show you one more time a way that you cut breast of chicken. The breast of chicken is thick, and if I want to fry this, it's going to take a long time and it's not going to be fried as good as it should. So I'm going to cut this in half this way, okay? And I've already cut the rest, so I have it there. I'm going to use 1 egg, and I'm going to beat the egg. I'm going to use some roasted gray salt, roasted garlic, some regular salt, and pepper. I also like to add some lime. So this is all ready. This is mostly used to marinate the chicken in for a little while. So I've marinated this, and if this is ready, I'm going to let it sit, and I'm going to cook my pasta. Bring the water to boil. I have already added salt and oil to this. So all I need to bring this to boil, this would stop in a minute. Okay. And I'm not going to break my pasta because I want the pasta to be long. Okay, we'll let it sit. I'm also have water here for my spinach. The way I cook my spinach is simply boil the water and drop the spinach in and turn the water off. I mean, turn the heat off. So it's because it's very delicate and I don't want my spinach to overcook. So my pasta is ready and my chicken is ready, and now I'm going to coat my chicken with breadcrumbs, and I'm going to also add some of this. This was gray salt that I'm using, roasted garlic, regular salt and pepper, and I'm going to put a touch of smoked paprika. I like the flavor of it. And I mix this. Okay. I'll just put the breast of chicken in. One wet side, go over it a couple times. Then I put this aside. Take another piece, do the same. can set these on top of each other. Sometimes you can keep these for an hour. This is not a food that you can cook and let it sit. This needs to be served right away. So what we're going to do, anytime that you want to cook the Schnitzel, you just have to serve it right after it's done. So bring your friends in the kitchen. You all can enjoy cooking that. Okay, my pasta is boiling. Just stir it a little bit. And I'm going to cook my sauce now. My sauce that I'm going to use for my angel hair pasta is what I'm cooking. And the sauce that I'm going to use is half a pint of cream and just a little bit butter, not too much. Okay. And I'll have 4 cloves of garlic. Turn the heat down. Just let this garlic melt a bit. I'm going to add my cream. And I'm going to add the same seasoning to my sauce. One thing that I believe is that when you cook a meal, everything should be, there should be a harmony between everything that you serve. So the sauce and the pasta and the chicken, they all should have more or less the same kind of seasoning. So I'm going to scale this down. And I would sometimes add some cheese to this. So I'm going to hold off the cheese till we're ready after the sauce is done, and then I'm going to add the cheese. So my pasta is almost done. I'm going to set it back in the back burner. Turn it down. Get ready for my Schnitzel. Now this is boiling and getting ready. Make sure that you keep stirring this because you don't want this to burn. Okay. I'm going to turn it down. Okay. Then I'm going to fix the Schnitzel and then we'll come back and show you how to serve it.